No, I'm saying for y'all, like P13, y'all be doing. You have to talk to my people I work with, I was taking group now, and we can get some out there that's here with our group home location. It's a simple one too.
What's this one gonna say?
What, this one?
Yeah. The one that you just now told me about?
Rest in heaven. And then she wants the day she passed and her birthday.
What color letters would you like?
No, she didn't tell me. Hold on, let me tell her. Okay, another question. What colors letters you want? You said bluish green? She said a bluish green.
Bluish green.
Oh, thank you. We'll write it down in the future. Okay. Thanks, bro.
All right. Thank you. Much love to you, bro. Good luck.
Okay, I'll call you.
No, I get off work at 4 o'clock. I'll be right there up here.
We putting rest in heaven on the front, and then
Yes.
what about these letters?
That should be fine.
And then what else would we wanted to say?
Rest in heaven, and then she want the day she passed and her birthday.
Okay. What day is that?
Quit doing that.
Okay.
Okay, she passed away November the 24th, and her birthday is April 21st, 90.
November 24th.
Yes.
Hello.
I'm about to show it to you. You want it like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
All right. Bye.
That's funny.